Have you ever wondered what truly makes a connection between partners unforgettable? It's not just the physical aspects, but the deeper understanding of each other's desires and needs. Today, we're diving into the art of intimate connection and exploring 5 key positions that can enhance your partner's pleasure and strengthen your bond. Welcome, warriors of the spirit. We delve into the art of cultivating inner strength and unbreakable determination. We face life's challenges with courage and resilience, always seeking to overcome our limitations and reach new heights. Today, we'll explore how to bring that same strength and dedication into the bedroom, ensuring that both partners enjoy themselves and reach their maximum potential. Let's start with a simple yet powerful question. How can you ensure your partner enjoys every intimate moment with you? One of the most intimate and satisfying positions is spooning. In this position, both partners lie on their sides with the man behind the woman. This allows for close contact, enabling you to stimulate the G-spot while also having easy access to the clitoris. This dual stimulation can significantly enhance your partner's pleasure and bring you both closer. Next, let's explore 5 positions that are favorites of many where weakness has no place, resolve is forged, and willpower becomes indestructible. Prepare to be inspired, motivated, and challenged to reach your maximum potential. Women with a lot of butt usually have small breasts, and women with large breasts have small butts. Red-haired women are more likely to have frequent sexual relations. One of the best positions to stimulate a girl's G-spot is spooning the lower wall of the vagina has many nerve endings and in this position, the penis will be close contact with it. Additionally, you can stimulate the clitoris and the G-spot doggy style. A recent survey by experts in the field indicated that this position, where the woman gets on all fours while the man penetrates her vaginally from behind, holding her by the hips, is the favorite among most English for people aged 35 to 44. It is a great position for the woman, according to me, as it allows her optimal control, enabling her to adjust her range of movement to find the angle that gives her the most pleasure. 8 out of 10 women like to be insulted and insult their partner during sex, according to them. It excites them too much and makes the activity. Some women are born with a smaller vagina, or simply without one. This phenomenon affects 1 in 5,000 people. Having sex standing up can help you last longer and make your girl come faster. A woman can reach orgasm in just 4 minutes of good work, but may take 20 minutes during intercourse with luck. Women who always give blowjobs are the ones being unfaithful to their partners. Before we dive deeper into these transformative positions, I want to take a moment to connect with you. If you're finding value in this content and want to empower your intimate connections, please take a second to like this video. Your support helps me create more free content like this. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Drop a comment below with any questions or insights you have about enhancing intimacy in your relationships. Let's create a community where we can learn and grow together. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Our dream is to reach 1,000 subscribers, and with your support, we can reach this milestone together. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest content, helping you cultivate inner strength and deeper connections in every aspect of your life. Thank you for being part of this journey, because they have the habit of wanting to see another man excited by them, which turns them on to the maximum. One of the benefits of knowing your partner's weak points is that it allows you to explore new forms of stimulation that can lead to quicker and stronger ejaculation. Every person is unique in terms of preferences and sensitivities, so understanding what works best for your girl can make a significant difference in her sexual satisfaction. Additionally, knowing your partner's weaknesses points can help strengthen the emotional connection and intimacy between you. Open and honest communication about likes and dislikes in the bedroom can deepen trust, and the bond between you leads to greater satisfaction. By knowing your girl's weak points, you can also show your attention and care for her pleasure and showing interest in her sexual satisfaction. And being willing to explore new forms of stimulation can make her feel valued and loved, which can increase her desire and excitement. Men feel greater sexual arousal when they wake up in the morning after fingers and vibrators. Candles are the most frequently used phallic objects by women. The most common fantasy among girls under 2 is oral sex missionary, although it sounds a bit standard according to various international studies. It is the most practiced sexual position among heterosexual couples worldwide. It seems it's not just for comfort, according to a recent survey conducted in the United Kingdom. Women like this position because of the closeness and intimacy it implies and because they feel their partner's body covering theirs, not crushing through. The best part is that now there are sexology experts, also, classify the missionary as one of the best positions for women to reach orgasm, as long as it is practiced with the aim of being as diagonal as possible to maximize clitoral stimulation. Women with problems feeling orgasms have shorter clitorises than average, making them further from the vaginal opening and harder to stimulate during penetrative sex after 50. Some men experience changes in their sexuality and believe good sex is over, but this is not entirely true with the right information and creativity. These thoughts disappear. The cougar this position. Woman on top, precisely because it is she who is on top of the man, allows women to have greater control of their orgasms. The woman can move as fast or slow as she likes and control the depth of penetration. Explains an expert girl being on top also gives her easy access to her clitoris, which she can stimulate with her hands or by adopting an ideal friction angle against the man's body to reach orgasm more easily. This position gives most of the prominence to the woman, giving her the freedom to set the pace, and also the man has direct access to caress her breasts, which helps to excite another female erogenous zones. 80% of women do not marry the one they love, but the man who is truly ready. Hence the reason for unhappy marriages before anal sex are a good. The tip is to keep the area clean. It can be washed with water and neutral soap. Empty the intestines, which can be done with an enema. A woman's sexual drive is more easily altered than a man's. Girls who have sex at least once a week look happier, more feminine, and especially more beautiful. Women on average are attracted to older men as it subconsciously communicates to them a sense of experience and stability in the alignment technique. One of the positions for women to reach orgasm faster with intense clitoral stimulation is achieved by practicing the alignment technique. Keep reading to find out what it's about to put it into practice. Think of the classic missionary position, but with the variation that will undoubtedly make a difference. The woman should keep her legs together, while the man should have his apart. What does this achieve? Firstly, greater pressure during penetration and more physical contact for the woman. Secondly, it stimulates the mons generis, providing her with great pleasure and making it much easier for her to reach the climax to enhance sensations. Nothing is better than the man pressing the woman's hips against. When a woman is attracted to a man, she moistens her lips with her tongue, too, to make them shinier and more attractive. Women who always perform oral sex are the ones being unfaithful to their partner because they have the habit of wanting to see another man excited by their life is full of mysteries and secrets. So keep exploring and discovering. Some people can experience an orgasm while exercising due to repetitive movements and continuous friction. Mature women over 40 find it easier to achieve orgasm, compared to women under 40 are more likely to initiate a kiss before sex, and women are more likely to initiate a kiss after sex. The screw position, thinking about positions for women to experience more pleasure during intimate relations. We must also include the so-called screw position in this. The man will have absolute control of the penetration movements, but the woman has to keep her legs elevated, will enjoy much more satisfying stimulation. To do, the woman should lie on her back on the bed, with her legs completely stretched upwards and crossing one over the other. Then the man should hold the woman's legs by the ankles to help her keep them stretched the whole time. Once in this position, penetration occurs. It is also a super pleasurable position for the man, making it ideal for enjoying an incredible synchronized orgasm. When a man likes a woman and is in love, he can't help but talk about her with his friends. If a man licks a woman's vagina and plays with her nipples, it means he truly cares about satisfying her. It is common that when a woman is attracted to a man, she speaks in a lower tone than usual. Many women, before being penetrated, love having their breast caressed. Next, the time you're with a lady, do it. and you'll see how she melts for you. Additionally, some of them like oral sex as a foreplay. Women's sexuality is the most powerful weapon in the battle between men and women, while the left hand of the man is his best ally in that situation, because the left hand is mastered by those with the most experience. Understanding your partner's weak points are essential for cultivating an intimate and satisfying connection in the relationship when it comes to female ejaculation. Knowing these points can be especially relevant as it can contribute to a more intense and pleasurable experience for both partners in the battlefield of life. Only those with an unbreakable spirit can prevail, and we, the warriors of masculine monasticism, refuse to yield to adversity and embrace each challenge as an opportunity to grow and strengthen ourselves and remember each other. Moment of struggle is an opportunity to demonstrate our resilience and determination. So let's rise, brothers and sisters, and continue forward with courage and conviction, because together there is no obstacle we cannot overcome onward to greatness. And so we conclude our journey together. Has been a pleasure sharing these reflections on Stoicism with you and how to apply it in our daily lives. Remember that true strength lies in calmness, in the ability to face challenges with grace, and in building a path of authenticity and purpose. Remember, each person is unique, and understanding your partner's specific preferences and sensitivities can make a significant difference in their sexual satisfaction. Open and honest communication about likes and dislikes in the bedroom can deepen trust and the bond between you, leading to greater intimacy and connection. So, warriors of the spirit, embrace these moments with the same strength and resilience you bring to life's challenges. Show your partner that their pleasure is as important to you as your own, and watch how your connection deepens and flourishes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.